Forex trading is one of the most lucrative markets in the world, moving trillions of dollars daily. But here's the harsh truth. 90% of traders lose money. Why? In this video, we'll uncover the key reasons most traders fail and how you can avoid becoming part of that statistic. Stick around to the end, and I'll share a critical tip that could turn your trading journey around. Let's start with the numbers. Studies show that a staggering 90% of Forex traders fail to turn a profit, and many quit within a year. But why does this happen in a market full of potential? Reason number 1, lack of proper education. Forex trading isn't gambling. Without understanding fundamental analysis, technical strategies, and risk management, you're setting yourself up for failure. Reason 2, emotional trading. The market fluctuates, and many traders let fear and greed dictate their decisions. Buying at the top or panic selling during a dip can destroy your account. Reason 3, over-leveraging. Forex brokers offer high leverage, tempting traders to risk more than they can afford. While leverage can amplify profits, it also magnifies losses. Another major issue is the lack of discipline. Many traders jump from one strategy to another, expecting quick success. They forget that consistency and patience are the keys to long-term success. And let's not forget unrealistic expectations. Many beginners dream of turning $100 into $10,000 overnight. They underestimate the complexity of the market and get disheartened when things don't go their way. So, how do you avoid being part of the 90%? Here's the game plan. First, invest in your education. Learn the basics of Forex trading. Study market trends and practice on demo accounts before risking real money. Second, practice risk management. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital on a single trade. Third, maintain a trading journal. Analyze your wins and losses to refine your strategy. Now here's the critical tip I promised. Master your psychology. The market is unpredictable, but your mindset doesn't have to be. Stay disciplined, stick to your plan, and avoid emotional decisions. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more trading insights. What's the biggest challenge you've faced in Forex trading? Share it in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.